is gonna do. Okay, so I'm on the magic wand, and I'm just gonna go and click anywhere. Okay, so I'm going to the flowers. My goal right now is, let's say, to select all these flowers. Let's say I would like to make them purple or pink or something else, okay? Because I don't like this color. So I'm gonna go and click anywhere. Okay, now when I go, right now, what did it do? Like, how does it know where to go? It says like this. Wherever you click, it is going to pick up, let's look at this 32 on the bottom. It's gonna pick up 32 shades lighter and 32 shades darker. So anything that is exactly, and this matters, like, by the way, which spot you click on, like I'm gonna click over here. I'm gonna click over here. Every time I click, notice it's a different area that was picked up, because what's the computer thinking? It says, okay, you clicked on a pixel. So I'm gonna take that pixel, and any pixels that are 32 shades lighter and 32 shades darker. Where am I getting 32? 32 is the tolerance that is right now preset. Now, it's not like always going to be perfect the first time you try, right? Because notice, let's say these flowers, their shades range, right? There's lighter and darker. So if I wanted to pick up more, I need to raise the tolerance more. Meaning I say, okay, 32 was not enough. Let's try 89. Now, there's no like magic number that I'm going to tell you, because it all depends on the picture. So there's some trial and error here. So I raised it up to 89. So now where I click, it's going to pick up that pixel plus 89 shades darker and 89 shades lighter. Let's see the difference. When I click over here, look what it did. It got, oops, I'm sorry, it ran away. It got much more. Why did it get more this time? Because I raised the tolerance. Now, if you